What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over this heavy-duty packing tape with a dispenser from Amazon. Starting off, I picked this up on Amazon. This is a brand called Sweethawk. I hope I'm saying that right. This is 1.88 inch by 66.6 yards. The original listing price was $9.98, and at the time of this recording, it is currently 30% off, coming out to $6.99. This is also the #1 rated tape dispenser on Amazon. Not only does it come with the dispenser, but a big fat roll of the tape. So I never heard of this brand, Sweethawk. I know it's obviously, probably something Chinese from Amazon, but again, I wanted something with a portable dispenser. I did do a review of a more stationary, extra wide roll dispenser on the channel before, so be sure to head back and check that video out if you're interested, or just type in the Rev Room tape dispenser and you will see my previous video, probably about over a year now that I did it. And check that out and then come back to this one if you want to see it. That one is more a little bit stationary. You would probably have it like on a desk and just leave it there. Whereas this one could be a lot more portable. Taking a look at the front label, it says heavy duty packing tape with dispenser. Strong and durable for securely sealed for packaging, shipping, moving, storage, and mailing. Which is pretty much word for word the really long ass title that's also on Amazon. Manufactured for Sweethawk, model W30201, made in China, and has a QR code like we're ever going to scan that. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. Get a little tab right here that says open. So I'm assuming we pull this down. Okay. Oh, I see it now. There's the blade on the bottom. That cardboard piece was pretty much the blade cover. And that black thing is your roller. I do like how they have this little tab to get the tape started, which is very helpful. To cut it, you just pull it. Cool thing is that this should just slide right out. And yeah, it just slides right out, just like that. And when you're ready, slide it back on. And this locks in. Okay, so basically this is the way it's going to be. This is the sticky side down on this. And the top is the roller part. This is what I see. So basically, you press this roller part down towards it and then just swipe across. On Amazon, it says this can be done with a one-hand operation. Value package, reusable dispenser, heavy duty. Stops the tape from rolling back, which is that little orange roller right here. The good thing is that it is reusable, which is really cool. Okay, so it actually does go this way. This is how the operation is. I'm basically just taping up this box. I mean, listen, you know what? It gets the job done. This will do it. For $7, definitely ain't bad. This is definitely a cool product. And like I said, it's a reusable tape dispenser. It's small. You really can't beat it. I know it is all plastic. Of course, the only thing that's on there that is metal is the metal blade to actually cut the tape. But overall, I think this is a really good product. I did tape this box up all the way around. This is the box that it came in. So there's probably more tape on this box than there is cardboard and plastic to seal this thing up when it was made from the manufacturer. Anyway, with that all being said, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at the Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you all next time. Take care. I'm out.